If it goes wrong, I guess watch my bottom jaw.
Oh, that mouth is wide open. Folks, look at that. Take those pictures in while you can. Wait, hold on, Leonard, smile. Come on, they're taking your picture. You're gonna be on Facebook. Smile. What is that? I know you got a great smile. There you go, guys. Get those pictures in while you can. Yeah, hold on. I should change your Snapchat filter. No, we're done with that. Look at Leonard. He's like 90% Bud Light.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man. But what he does know is he knows how to work with these animals safely. He's a trained professional. Now, a little girl a couple years ago was watching this show, and unfortunately, she was attacked by a wild alligator. What she learned from this show, she was able to save her own life. So, guys, pay attention to Leonard.
Okay, yeah. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, well, that was short. Okay, all right. We have our alligator. Did you guys see now? The show is over. Thanks for coming. All right, let's see. First, we gotta see what she's gonna do. I guess she's walking. This is how you walk your dog in Florida, you know. Hey, neighbor. Your cat's missing. How weird is that? Okay, all right. All right, let's see. Was she smiling? She's walking. Let's just do this before she knows what's going on. Sounds a little hissed off. All right, we did it.
Now what?
I don't know. I don't always make it this far. Okay. We're walking forward. Let's catch in with the teeth. That seems like a decent place to start. And all right, guys, we got ourselves an alligator. Awesome. All right, so guys, Casey was out here telling y'all about the history of alligator wrangling and just the history of alligators here in Florida. He didn't have time to tell you, guys, the hardest part about dealing with a wild alligator was actually just finding them. I mean, if an alligator wants to hide, they are perfectly designed to do so. For one thing, I mean, what color is the alligator? He's not green, you gotta like look at him. They're brown, they're black, they're dark in coloration. The dark color helps them blend in perfectly with all the muddy water that we have here in Florida. Plus, if she needs to pop up to sense her surroundings or, know what's going on, she only has to expose the smallest parts of her head, and that tells them everything they need to know. For one thing, at the tip of the snout, the nostrils, what they can do with their nose that we can't. Let's say she smells something she doesn't like you or me. She will seal up those nostrils. Guys, they can hold their breath for up to 2 hours. You have no idea where they're gonna pop up next. If she smells something she does like, the next thing that's popping up are gonna be the eyes. Now, a lot of people always think the eyes are in a bad spot because, I don't know, when they get poked out by a branch as they're swimming along. Or if you guys Google what to do if alligators biting you, it always says, stick them in the eyes. Let me show you why that's not gonna work. The danger comes along, they pull their eyes all the way into the skull, danger's gone, they pop back up. Did y'all see that? Watch. It's crazy, right? Check this out, guys. Watch. And the same also leads to blink, guys. Look at this, look. You can do one eye, the other eye, both eyes, backwards. It's a lot of fun, kids. Try it on each other. I'm just kidding, don't do that. Okay, so what do you do? Now I want you guys to know this. You're probably never gonna get bit by an alligator in the wild. That's not what they're out here doing. But let's say you found yourself in that unfortunate situation. What you wanna do instead, go for the tip of the snout. It's the most sensitive part on the alligator. It's more sensitive than millennials. You just gotta smack them, okay? Or some millennials too. Behind the eyes, you got these little flaps of skin. What do you guys think the flaps of skin cover up? The ears. Obviously they have ears. They have to have ears. They talk all the time. You've been listening to her hissing this entire time, okay? They pop their jaws, they hiss, they bellow. We actually found there's a sound y'all can make that'll call an alligator over to you guys. It's the same sound that baby alligators make to call over to their moms. And it sounds like this. Obviously not. No, it's more like a... You guys look thrilled to death so far. I'm judging by your faces, you probably didn't come to see me make weird noises on her back. You want to see something a little more dangerous, right? Oh, come on, like 5 of you guys want to see some crazy stuff, right? Yeah, let's jump into it. I got a question, shout it out if y'all know the answer. What's the most dangerous part of the alligator? I heard the mouth and the tail. Will do a vote. If you think it's the mouth, raise your hand. Okay, if you guys think it's the tail, raise your hand. Wow. Okay, tail people. Well, I'll take a really good look at me right now.